I red pies are now. They are destroyed. I'm gonna have to put some ice on, some cucumber, tea bags, you name it. That actually doesn't sound right.
Yeah, this is gonna be a good one. Travis just called me. He's down at Porto and is saying he's gonna go surf. And there's no one out, right? El Porto, no one out? Let's do it. But this is what we're looking at. That looks brutal. I can't wait to see what he does with this. Look how cool he looks.
Do you want the good news or the bad news?
Is there good news?
The good news is that there's not one person out as far as the eye can see.
What's the bad news?
That's because of the bad news. It's just gale force winds. Looks like there's a horrendous current going from right to left. But I'm actually seeing some more opportunities out there.
Of course you are. Just a little onshore breeze. Look at that. See anything?
I can't really tell this glares. This glare's giving me cataracts. What have you talked me into, Bradley?
If I recall, you're the one who called me. Having second thoughts?
Had second thoughts a long time ago, but it's too late. I was hoping my wetsuit was going to be super wet so I'd have an excuse, but it's actually dry. If I get 3 waves that I do 2 turns on, or even 1 good turn, I'll take it as a win. Considering what we're dealing with today, Bradley, I'll take it as a win.
Is that ground cold?
Everything's cold. When I left home, I was like, I'm going surfing no matter what the conditions are like. And it's really testing my commitment right now, but I'm doing it. Once this wetsuit goes on, there's no turning back. But I'm probably gonna go out there and spend a hell of a lot of time paddling around and not getting many waves. But hey, you don't know until you go. So there we go.
It is windy.
There's so much sand in my eyes.
How was that first round?
Very tiring. The current's so gnarly. And you're paddling against the wind and the current. So your eyes are just getting destroyed and you look the other way and it's a glare.
Good luck. The wind is absolutely howling right now. You got a little barrel?
I had no idea that was happening. I had so much water in my eyes. It was like, seems to be getting a little bit better with the tide coming in. Who knows?
was it?
Hey, it wasn't too bad actually, to be honest with you. The paddling was incredibly tiring. So much wind and current. Felt like you're paddling against the whole ocean, but I got a couple of waves better than not surfing. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
I'll take it.
Kind of like going to the gym.
Yeah, little gym sesh. Burnt off all the chocolate I had earlier. There's worse ways to spend Valentine's Day.
Still pick myself up with eyes.
Look how red my eyes are now. They are destroyed. I'm gonna have to put some ice on, some cucumber, tea bags, you name it. That actually doesn't sound right.
I'll see you.
See you, brother.